It's not just another home. It's calling you. Let us welcome you home.
It's calling me, like the rainbow.
Welcome to 22 Wingfoot Drive, where modern elegance meets custom design. This better than new construction will not disappoint. Designer-owner opportunity where no detail is spared is literally like living in the Hamptons, next to the Leatherstocking Trail. I'm Linda.filby. Contact me for your private showing.